This is one of my all-time favorite easy smoky eyes. Let's do it together. Start with a neutral shadow through your crease and on your bottom lash line. This can be as messy as you want. I use a powder bronzer because it goes really great with my complexion. Now take a brown eyeliner and just line close to your lash line. It can be super messy because we're just going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and just blend it out. And we're going to blend up. This is going to create a great base for any shadow that we put on top. Now on the same flat brush, we're going to take just black eyeshadow. And it can look scary, but go ahead and just coat that over top of your brown eyeliner. Don't get scared. We'll just take a blending brush, and what I do is I just wiggle it right across my eyelid and just right into the crease that diffuses that black shadow, and you're left with almost like a very deep chocolatey brown, but what it looks like is a very lived-in eyeline. Add a million coats of mascara and you're done. This smoky eye takes literally 5 minutes. It is so easy. I love the contrast from the black on top and the brown on the bottom.